Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Wednesday wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. Yes, we will talk about the price, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting. But major news coming out today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So we're looking across the board first and foremost. As far as altcoin momentum is concerned, you're still seeing a lot of these altcoins, holding on to their momentum, which is absolutely amazing to see. But if you're looking at XRP, it's down about 4.9% in USD compared with the price currently sitting at $2.40. Also down about 3.6% in Bitcoin comparative with the market cap at $136.7 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 23.5 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And I'm sure a lot of people are just completely going to forget the move that XRP has had and more focus on the retracement that we're seeing. But like I said, we're going to touch a little bit back onto the price later on, but let's take a look at what's happening. So breaking news: Ripple stablecoin is launching soon. Everything you need to know. So Ripple is expected to launch RLUSD on December 4th, which is today, following approval by the New York Department of Financial Services. And on that note, on Coinbase, RLUSD is already showing, and there's more rumors flying around about Justin Sun, who is the Tron founder, that they're going to implement RLUSD on the Tron blockchain as well, which is massive. But yeah, you guys can see RLUSD will initially launch on Ripple, XRP, Ledger, and Ethereum. But like I said, there's rumors flying around that it's going to be, integrated on the Tron network as well. But yeah, a US dollar backed stablecoin, 100% backed by the US dollar deposits, short-term US government treasury, and other cash equivalents. RLUSD will be more focused on large institutional players, according to Ripple CEO. We think there's an opportunity for another player in the stablecoin market to exist that focuses on institutions, focuses on compliance. And this is something we literally touched on last night. The main focus over here is, regulatory compliance, to give these massive institutions the confidence to use a stablecoin without having any, fear, because of course we know there's a lot of questions about other stable coins, whether or not the reserves even exist, right? And we've seen in the past what happened with stable coins, that there was one, I think it was the Terra Luna stable coin. We know what happened when people found out there's no reserve. It went down, and people lost billions of dollars, right? So we need to understand how big of a deal this is. And I really told you guys in our last update, that this is going to tackle a major market, which is stable coins. And speaking about stable coins, they're going to go mainstream, but we'll touch a little bit more on that. Ripple president Monica Long also said the RLUSD was built to complementary and addictive to XRP. What are your thoughts on XRP launching on USD stablecoin? Let me know in the comments down below about that as well. But major news, and you can see, Smoke says this. Remember, regulated stablecoins will be mainstream in the next 6 to 12 months. RLUSD is a regulated stablecoin. Yes, RLUSD will be mainstream in 2025, and this is something we've been speaking about on our channel, right, for some time now, because like I said, stablecoins are being discussed more than ever. Do you think these massive institutions are going to be focusing on stablecoins that are non-regulatory compliant, or the ones that are regulatory compliant? But yeah, today is the set date. A lot of excitement towards that. And on Coinbase, RLUSD did already, show up on there. Obviously, it's not available to be purchased, but it's on there. So I think we are getting closer and closer. But look at this, guys. Yes, XRP connects to the Eurosystem through SIA partnership. Ripple and XRP connect the Eurosystem through SIA chain, SIA's private blockchain infrastructure. The Eurosystem, which includes the European Central Bank, and Eurozone central banks, manages monetary policy and financial operations in the region. SIA Chain integrates Ripple Pay with the key Eurosystem platforms such as Target2 and T2S, enabling seamless interoperability. Through this partnership, XRP powers faster and more efficient cross-border payments and settlements within the Eurozone financial networks. As institutions adopt XRP for high-value transactions, demand surges, driving the price of XRP higher. Exactly what we've been discussing. And now I think, this is going to start getting, implemented. I think more partnerships with the U.S. or North America in particular, based, banks and, financial services providers. And I think that is going to be a major game changer. But, XRP, there's a lot of good things happening. Of course, we know, obviously, RLUSD launching. XRP Ledger had a major announcement about 2 weeks back. Also, obviously, that lawsuit potential coming to an end, Gary Gensler being fired. And there's a lot happening, which, of course, in favor of XRP. And speaking about, demand itself, the demand is at a record high. We haven't seen this much demand since the previous cycle. And, the first cycle of XRP. And what's crazy to think about is in the first cycle, in terms of development, how far Ripple was. Ripple is tenfold, in terms of how successful it is compared to then. And that tells you everything you need to know. But dominance is continuing to fall. We're currently sitting at 55.14%. But Bitcoin had a retracement today. So let me show you guys that on the hourly time frame. So Bitcoin yet again made its way down to $94,553, even though we were sitting at about 97K just a few hours ago. So clear shakeout. Despite the shakeout, remember what I said to you guys, dominance is still not moving. Hence, if you're looking across the hourly time frame, a lot of coins right now are actually up double digits still. Tells you everything you need to know in terms of the altcoin momentum. No secret on this channel at this point. But let's take a look at XRP because, of course, a lot of people are probably, kind of wondering what's happening with XRP right now. Why is the price of XRP crashing? I guarantee there's a lot of people probably thinking that. But let's kind of go down memory lane. So where is the price of XRP currently sitting? So XRP's price is currently sitting at the $2.40. The $2.40 is a support that kind of dates back to the 2018 level. So, that's where we're being supported by. So, that initial Bitcoin drop did have an impact on this. And, that's just a reality. We need to remember what XRP has been able to achieve over the course of the last few days. But let me just kind of give it a refresh live to make you guys, understand what's going on with XRP's price. So let's go on the charts, hourly time frame. There we are. Look at this. So we pretty much obviously broke out of this key resistance from the 0.50, literally flew into the 23.6 in just a few hours. So you saw an increase of about 52%. So actually kind of let this sink in, okay? Do not forget this. So after breaking out of the $1.91, which was our previous cycle high, I've been talking about this level. Look what happened after that. We saw XRP go up a 50%. So 51% to be exact. That's not a small move by any means. We literally set a new yearly high yesterday, but we have seen a little bit of a shakeout, which is totally okay. So if you want to put the shakeout into perspective, we are down about 20% from yesterday, which is totally fine, like I said. But so far, so good. Obviously, you are looking at the price of XRP seeing a retracement down to $2.32 earlier this morning when Bitcoin initially dropped. But you want to be thanking Bitcoin dominance for, not budging, because if Bitcoin dominance went up, I think we could have even seen the likes of the 38.2 fib zone retracement being, retested, potentially even retesting the likes of the $1.91, because that is the next major support, to be quite frank with you. And that would be an additional 18% move. So if you're an XRP holder, you want to see XRP doing what it's doing right now. If it trades sideways, kind of, extensifies, its support, because remember, in the last cycle, there was not much support around this range because we just pretty much flew towards an all-time high. And what I mean by last cycle is I'm talking about the original 2018 all-time high, and there was not much support, the price just went down quite fast. So you really want to see, XRP's price finding a ground for itself around here. So even if it's trades within this range, that's totally fine. I mentioned to you guys that if you guys are, an XRP holder and you're looking at the price hanging in the 23.6 fib zone, you need to be happy at that. I don't care if it's a week, 2 weeks for consolidation, that's totally fine. As long as it finds a ground for itself, right, after having a massive move. I do think, XRP will turn things around quite fast. Right now, we need to understand, projects like, Algorand, the likes of Cardano, the likes of, XLM, HBAR, they're all down right now. We need to understand that. But also, if you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, it speaks for itself as to what they have been able to achieve. But so far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. But if we're able to lose the support, I would say around the $2.23, there is a chance that, we could fall down to the $2.06 support and potentially, obviously, even retesting the $1.93. And that would still be mega bullish. Obviously, if we don't lose the support level, the upwards trajectory still stays intact. The targets don't change at all. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.